Guys, did you know that today is actually International Bee Day? Now, you may be wondering, why are bees so important? And the answer to that question is many reasons. One of the reasons is because they pollinate the plants that we use to make our clothing and that we eat. They also provide food for the animals out in the wilderness, and they also help pollinate the plants that they use for shelter. Now, also, you might be wondering, well, if there's a beehive, the bees are dangerous, so shouldn't I just get rid of it? Well, yeah, you can get rid of it, but in a safe manner. Instead of calling an exterminator, try and get a relocator and see if you can move the beehive to somewhere else. And also, bees generally don't sting things unless they feel like they're being threatened. So if you don't hurt the bees, they don't hurt you. So what I say is, be kind. And another thing you can do to help is you can be like Jane and David in the show Jane, and you can plant a bee garden. So what you have to do is search up online what the local plant is for bee pollinating. And once you find that out, then you can just plant tons of flowers. And make sure the bees like it, because when bees don't like something, that's weird. They don't like it. It's not good. Hey look, a bee just landed right on this plant right here. I don't know if you can see it, but he's actually pollinating that plant. If that plant has pollen, then he's taking the pollen, and pollen can actually spread on their legs, and that's what they kind of use for pollinating. They have sacs in the back of their legs that they use to hold the pollen, and whenever they travel from plant to plant, they let the pollen fall off their legs and go into the other plant. So that's what helps the bees help grow other plants, basically. And they're also helping themselves by grabbing the nectar inside the plants, which they end up using as food for them. I hope we can all work together to help save the bees. And remember, be helpful. Now I gotta buzz out of here. See ya. Buzz.